It's gonna be my favorite rig to throw, probably on a Texas rig. Sometimes a wacky rig. When it's colder weather like this. This is not t-shirt weather. Preston! Net! Come on! Bass! Come on guys, first bass of the year. Can we get him? I'm gonna have to flip him. It's nice. Oh yeah. Come on, get him. Get him. He's early. Come on. Let's go! Oh, first bass of the season. Oh, we're recording release him. I'm gonna put it on slow mo for the video. It's first bass of the year, guys. Pond's been frozen. First time it's not, we catch a bass. All right. Start to that one.